welcome to all the viewers to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about objects. Dear viewers, I am preparing you for active voice and passive voice, which we are going to start shortly. Let us learn object. Without object, there is no chance at all to change into passive voice. Object is the part of the sentence which answers to the questions what, which and whom. The verb which answers to the questions what and which is called direct object. The verb which answers, we call it direct object as DO. The verb which answers to whom is called indirect object, we call it IO. Verbs with objects are called transitive verbs, TV, and verbs without objects are called intransitive verbs. Only TV can be changed into passive voice, and ITV there is no chance at all for passive voice. Dear viewers, there are a number of definitions, number of variations. For example, we want to learn cycling. Once we learn cycling, we can drive with, we can do the cycling with one hand and even without touching the handle also. My purpose is we should become familiar. We should not much bother about variations and deviations. Let us become familiar. So that is what my purpose of this video and showing stress on grammar. So let us see here. So IO, indirect object, DO, direct is already for your reference again written. TV, transitive verb, ITV, intransitive verb, DO, direct object, IO, indirect object. And for your kind information, only TV can be changed into passive voice. ITV there is no chance. In competitive exam, wantonly they will give sentences with intransitive verbs and they will tell change the voice. Correct answer is none. They will give some options also. None is the correct answer. Otherwise, if it is descriptive, you have to write no chance, not possible to change into passive form. So let us see the examples, instances. They play cricket. They play cricket. What they play? What they play? Cricket. So it is DO, direct object. It is TV, transitive verb, because this verb is having object and this can be changed into passive form. I met him yesterday. Met. Whom I met? Him. So it is indirect object. It is TV. This sentence is TV, transitive verb plus indirect object. She sings nicely. What she sings? No answer. Which she sings? No answer at all. Whom? But see, she sings. How she sings? How is not considered as in the category of object. So she sings nicely, ITV, no object, either direct object or indirect object. He cooks quickly, ITV, because there is no object. So these two sentences cannot be changed into passive voice. I completed it. It is transitive verb plus direct object. I complete what I completed? It. You had invited them. Whom you invited? Whom you had invited? Them. So it is IO, indirect object and TV. Dear viewers, let us do this exercise to check our understanding of objects. Find out the objects in the following sentences. 8 sentences are given. Use your knowledge and try to apply it. I ordered 10 doors. Ordered is the verb. What I ordered? 10 doors. So it is direct object because it is answering to what? Direct object. It is TV. So this sentence can be transformed into passive voice. So it is direct object. He constructed a house. He constructed. What he constructed? A house. So a house. Already we have seen object is a part of the sentence. Part. It can be one word also. It can be two words or more than that also. So here these two words are becoming object. So a house, this is also answering to what? So this is also direct object. And TV, transitive verb. I shall buy a housing site. What I shall buy? A housing site. You see here, three words are becoming objects. So a housing site is answering to what? So this is also DO plus TV, transitive verb. This sentence can be changed into passive form. We shall upload the videos. We shall upload. What we shall upload? The videos. So two words are becoming objects. So direct object TV. He will be leading the party. What he will be leading? The party. Again an example of direct object TV, transitive verb. She walks slowly. So what she walks? So how she walks? How is not coming under the category of object. So this sentence is ITV, intransitive verb. There is no chance to change into passive form. He treats freely. The doctor. He treats freely. So there is no answer to what, which or whom. So this is also ITV. This sentence also cannot be changed into passive form. She controls them. Whom she controls? Them. So it is, them is indirect object, and it is TV, transitive verb. This sentence can be changed into passive form. Dear viewers, please check the description box for notes on this video. Thank you.